First of all, we want the justice, we want the judiciary inquiry for this situation. There are lack of restrooms, there are lack of changing rooms, the security and safety issues will be breached.
এই ঘটনাটা দেখে বোঝাই যাচ্ছে যে এই ঘটনার পিছনে শুধুমাত্র একজন দোষী থাকতে পারে না।
And therefore I don't feel secure in this college.
I'm in front of the Archikor Medical College in North Kolkata, which is at the center of a storm in Bengal after the death of a 25-year-old medical student who was found dead at the seminar hall of the hospital. Students here are protesting and demanding better security for doctors.
Of the students have been breached, and therefore I don't feel secure in this college. You cannot expect people to get their identity verified in a hospital premises, right? Because every time you come to a hospital, you come to the hospital just for the sake of healthcare delivery or seeking the healthcare. Now, will you check the identity of a person who is coming to seek healthcare from you? No, right? So it's not possible for a person to check the identity. But now when the incident has already occurred, it must and should be a foremost duty of the authority to start the system of identity verification of everyone who is entering the hospital campus, no matter what time of the day it is, may it be day or the night.
I used to be so happy or very proud to feel that I am studying in such a dignified college. Because, today, after this incident, I feel so much of ashamed of the authority or to myself also that I am studying in this college.
Security issues need to be addressed firstly. Second of all, we want justice for our senior colleague. We lost her. And thirdly, I must say that the authority must answer several demands that our seniors are demanding. That's all.
এই ঘটনাটা দেখে বোঝাই যাচ্ছে যে এই ঘটনার পিছনে শুধুমাত্র একজন দোষী থাকতে পারে না। যেভাবে আঘাত লেগেছে সেভাবে সবাই জানে যে একজন থাকতে পারে না। তো একজন প্রপার যারা দোষী তাদেরকে যেন শাস্তি দেওয়া হয়, এমন শাস্তি দেওয়া হয় যাতে পরবর্তী ক্ষেত্রে একটা মেয়ের গায়ে হাত দিতে গেলে 5 বার ভাববে। আর আমাদের হসপিটালে যেন প্রপার নিরাপত্তাটার দিকে নজর দেওয়া হয়। আজকে শুনলাম সিসিটিভি লাগানো হচ্ছে, তো সিসিটিভি লাগানো এবং সেই সবকটা সিসিটিভি যেন কাজ করে সেই দিকে নজর দেওয়া।
There are lack of restrooms, there are lack of changing rooms, the security and safety issues will be breached. The post-mortem report has not been officially published, and the notification that we got regarding the post-mortem, it itself says there is mutilation of the body. So one person cannot mutilate the body, right? The broken pelvic bone or the broken hyoid bone, whatever is being stated, a person cannot perform that. So we ourselves claim that multiple people involvement was there, and hereby we demand the judicial inquiry proceedings to be published and let us know that what is being actually processed.